Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create shadow frame effect using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already imported my video to the CapCut project and I'm going to create shadow frame effect for this video. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add black background to my project. You can add the black background from the CapCut library and then you're going to make it align with your video like this. And I'm going to duplicate my video and make it as an overlay. Alright, and I'm going to apply mask, but wait, let me make it smaller for this video. Okay, I think that's enough. And go to the mask option. And you're going to apply the mask to this black background. And for the mask, you can choose the rectangle mask. And you can customize the mask like this to create shadow effect. Okay guys, like this. And you can go to the feather and adjust the feather until the shadow created. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create shadow frame effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.